The legal profession, built on principles of integrity and justice, was shaken to its core on July 25, 2013. Paul Paraka, a once respected lawyer, found himself on the wrong side of the law. He was arrested on that fateful day, facing 5 grave counts of misappropriation. The charges against him were staggering. Paraka was accused of misusing a colossal $162,251,894 KINA and 96 TOIA of state funds. The news of Paraka's arrest sent shockwaves through Papua New Guinea. He was a prominent figure in legal circles, known for his acumen and influence. His fall from grace served as a stark reminder that no one is above the law. The charges against him detailed a carefully orchestrated scheme spanning 4 years. Between 2007 and 2011, Paraka used his position to funnel the misappropriated funds. The money was meticulously siphoned through 65 separate checks. These checks were all made out to a property investment company, masking the true nature of the transactions. The audacity of Paraka's actions stunned the nation. This was not a case of a petty theft, but a calculated and systematic plundering of public funds. The subsequent trial promised to be a landmark case, captivating the attention of the entire nation. Paul Paraka's scheme was audacious in its scope and execution. He didn't rely on brute force or overt threats. Instead, he weaponized his knowledge of the law, exploiting loopholes and manipulating systems designed to protect public funds. At the heart of his operation were 3 court orders obtained in 2006. These orders were intended to halt directives that aimed to stop payments to his firm, Paul Paraka Lawyers. With these orders in hand, Paraka created a smokescreen of legality. He continued to receive payments, even though red flags were raised within the Department of Finance. However, Paraka's influence ran deep. He had cultivated relationships with key individuals within the department, individuals who were willing to turn a blind eye to his illicit activities in exchange for their own personal gain. These corrupt officials became complicit in Paraka's scheme, ensuring that the flow of money remained uninterrupted. Year after year, millions of KINA disappeared into a labyrinth of shell companies and dubious investments. Paraka's actions were a betrayal of the trust placed in him as an officer of the court. He had sworn an oath to uphold the law, yet he used his legal expertise to subvert it for his enrichment. Section 3.